All right, let's break down how to divide fractions. It seems tricky, but it's not. So you see a problem like this, and it can look kind of intimidating, right?
But trust me, it gets super easy once you know one simple trick. And here it is. This one rule changes the whole problem into simple multiplication.
Okay, but what does reciprocal even mean? Let's clear that up real quick.
It's easy. You just flip the fraction upside down. That's its reciprocal. So for 2 over 3, it becomes 3 over 2. For 5 over 7, it's 7 over 5. See? All right, let's go back to that first problem and actually use this rule.
It's a three-step dance. You keep the first fraction, change the sign, and flip the second. From here, you just multiply straight across the top and then the bottom.
And the last step, just simplify the fraction. And that's our answer.
So to recap, this is the exact process you're going to use every single time.
And there's a super easy way to remember all this. Keep, change, flip.
Okay, let's run through another example just to make sure it really sticks. So we keep the 2/5, change the sign, and flip the 1/3. Now we multiply. You can also write that answer as a mixed number. The process just works. All right, one last problem to make sure you've absolutely got this down. Just use keep, change, flip, and suddenly it's a simple multiplication problem. Simplify that down, and our final answer is 5 over 12. Perfect. So you see, what looks like a hard division problem is actually just multiplication. It just goes to show how a simple shortcut can make things way easier. Makes you wonder, right?